Timpack Industries is one of New Zealand's leading timber packaging suppliers. We've got our head office based in Hamilton and we have sites throughout New Zealand.
In our workplace we've got just over 135 staff and most of them are all based in factory operations.
With the new Act, we thought it was a good opportunity to refresh our health and safety message. Myself and two of our other senior managers undertook a roadshow in May 2016. We went with the theme Stayin Alive by the Bee Gees.
We all dressed up as the Bee Gees and put a bit of fun into it so that the guys weren't just sitting there in a seminar forum. And yeah, we had music going, we had a bit of laughter, and certainly it helped bring down any barriers when we put the message across.
That was an eye-opener for everyone, and it just gives us a better awareness of what we need to do to keep each other safe out there.
One of the things that came out of the roadshow was the give a gift idea. The idea that you're not narking on your mate because he's doing something silly, that you actually give him a gift of life. That was a real serious message that came through. The guys started using it, providing feedback to us on opportunities to improve our safety, our guarding, or even just areas for improvement.
As well as that, we went around the traps and we identified all the risks within our business. We essentially made a schedule of all the lists from every single branch. We attempted to score those risks and then we put some effort into reducing the risks by branch and set some goals and KPIs around that.
We had undertaken quite a bit of work pre the roadshow on manual handling by designing new equipment to help the guys with their manual handling. That really had a huge impact. We embarked on an e-learning strategy several years ago so the guys could get a consistent message around health and safety. They're all computer based and involve quite a bit of reading. What we found was that some of our staff's literacy was not that high. So we moved to using audio narratives on most of our e-learning modules now, so to make sure that all staff had the opportunity to understand the messages that we were giving. Health and safety is not just around machinery guarding and manual handling. It needs to cover the health and well-being of the actual staff members. So what we undertake is hearing, lung function testing for our staff on an annual basis. We're also moving to offer diabetes testing and trialling an employee assistance program where they have counsellors come on site on a regular basis. What we're finding is that they're getting to know staff now, and so staff are feeling comfortable talking to them about their issues outside of work. We're hoping by providing that support that it means that they're comfortable, that they're coming to work with a clear mind, because obviously if they're distracted that leads to accidents. So the more we can do to have them in a good headspace, hopefully the more that means that they're going to keep themselves safe at work. What we've found over the last 2 years since the Act's come in and we've done our roadshow and spent a lot of effort around health and safety is that as I walk around the factories, they're comfortable coming up to talk to me. We're seeing a good flow through of suggestions from our give a gift boxes.
There's been a huge amount of engagement and participation from our workforce in terms of how to manage and control risks within the workplace, and that's led on to a whole bunch of initiatives, but essentially has hugely reduced our lost time injuries throughout the business.
I find that we've upped our ante to do everything right and what we're supposed to do. Just work safe, home safe.